Good day everyone! Today, I will discuss the forecasting traffic flow. Dito matatalakay yung basic principle of traffic demand analysis. And also, classification of road, type of road patterns, and why road patterns are important in highway planning. Basic principle of traffic demand analysis. The traffic demand analysis has the purpose of providing a big picture of the current and future traffic volumes in the network. It should be noted that the traffic demand process under the Urban Transport Plan is much more detailed since it has a different purpose, namely to understand the traffic patterns of each region and draw guidelines for growth and development. The transport planners wish to modify highway network either by constructing a new roadway or by instituting a program of traffic management improvements. Any justification for their proposal will require them to be able to formulate some forecast of future traffic volumes along the critical links. Classification. Road classification is the orderly grouping of roads into system according to the type and degree of system as they provide to the public. The basis of this classification is the materials, location and function, traffic volume economy, traffic type, rigidity, and topography. So merong 4 classification ng roads sa neighboring countries in Asia. The primary, class 1, class 2, and class 3. Primary, access controlled motorway. Class 1, 4 or more lanes highway. Class 2, 2 lanes. Class 3, 2 lanes pero mas narrow. Since most of the Asian highway member countries have their own design, the revised classification and standard for the Asian highway was simplified to provide the necessary minimum standards and guidelines to facilitate international road traffic. Saka yung primary class ay access-controlled motorways used exclusively by automobiles. Access to enter the motorway is at grade-separated interchanges only. Motorcycles, bicycles, and pedestrians will not be able to allowed to enter the motorway in order to ensure traffic safety and the high running speed of automobiles. Sa Class 3 naman, can be used when the funding of the constructions and or land for the road is limited. The type of pavement should be upgraded to asphalt concrete or cement concrete as soon as possible in the future. Take note that the classification of road is determined as follows using passengers car unit or the PCU as an index presenting traffic volume. Sa neighboring countries in Asia ay may 4 classification of roads. Sa Philippines naman ay may 8 classification of roads. Una ay ang national primary. Directly connects major cities at least around 100,000 people cities within the metropolitan areas. Pangalawa ay ang national secondary. Directly connects cities to national primary roads except in metropolitan area. Direct connects major ports and ferries terminals to national primary road. Directly connects major airports to national primary roads. Directly connects tourist services centers to national primary roads or others. Directly connects cities not included in the category of major cities. Directly connects provincial capitals within the same region. Directly connects to major national government infrastructure to national primary roads or other national secondary road. So ito yung ilan sa mga example ng national secondary road dito sa Marinduque. Mula Buwak, Gasan hanggang Benavista Road. Buwak hanggang Torres Road. Benavista hanggang Tareas Road, Mugpog hanggang Balanacan Port. Ang ikatlo ay ang National Tertiary Road. Other existing roads under DPWH which performs a local function. Ilan sa mga example ng National Tertiary Road dito sa Marinduque ay ang Dr. Damian Reyes Road, Buwakside. Mula Tigwi, Dampulan, Lipata, Iok hanggang Benavista Road. Number 4 is the provincial roads or local roads. Connect cities and municipalities without traversing national roads. Connect national roads to barangay through rural connects to major provincial government infrastructure. So ito yung ilan sa mga provincial road dito sa Municipality of Buwak. Mula Bantad, Tansa hanggang Buliasnin Road. Buliasnin to Luawan Road, Lupak to Puras Road, Isok to Maygayo Street, Santol to Bangbangalan Road, Capital Road, Provincial Hospital Road, Buwak Port Road, Buwak to Mugpog via Tagwak Road. Some of the provincial road in the municipality of Mugpog. Mataas na Bayan to Danau Road, Mugpog to Luawan Road, Banto, Pili, Sayaw Road, Tuungan to Bintakay Road, Kapayan Road, Ino Road, Magapua Road, Manggamnan to Bokbok Road, Balanakan to Argao Road. Tapos ito naman yung ilan sa mga provincial roads sa Municipality of Gasan. Libtangin to Tapuyan Road, Dawis to Bukal Road, Matandang Gasan Road, Mangilial Road, Libtangin to Ubong Road, Bakhaw to Ilaya Road, Bahi to Ilaya Road. Ikalima yung municipal and city roads or local roads. Roads within the poblacion. Roads that connects to provincial and national roads. Roads that provide inter-barangay connection roads. City infrastructure without traversing provincial roads. Ika-anim may ang barangay roads. Other public roads officially turned over within the barangay and not covered above definition. Law ay ang expressways, highways, with limited access, normally with interchanges, may include facilities for levying tolls for passage in an open or closed system. Pangwalo ay ang bypasses. Bypasses are roads or highways that avoid the built-up area, town or city proper to let through traffic flow without interference from local traffic, reduce congestion, and improves road safety, where a toll for passage is levied in an open or closed system. So, ilan sa mga bypass road dito sa Marinduque ay ang ongoing construction of Mugpog Buwak Bypass Road, ongoing construction of Gasan Bypass Road including right-of-way and bridges.
So, ang next naman po ay ang road patterns.
Road patterns are very essential in the development of the settlement of a city. However, recently, development in cities does not give importance to the study of the road patterns that give rise to numerous roads that are not interconnected. Housing and commercial developments built far away where roads are very distant from the center of the town. The increasing distance between the residential and commercial hub of the city increases the dependency upon cars for the daily travel chores each household member makes frequently. The road patterns also increase the response time of the emergency response vehicles take to reach a certain place. There are 6 types of road patterns. The first one is the rectangular or block pattern. In this pattern, the whole area is divided into rectangular blocks. Streets or branch roads intersect with each other at the right angle. The main road passes through the center and it should be wide enough. Branch road may be narrow as compared. The rectangular blocks can be furthered fractions into smaller rectangles that can be used into small rectangles that can be used for the construction of buildings placed back to back, having roads on their front. But this type of road increases the rate of accidents due to poor visibility at a perpendicular junction. Number 2 is the radial or star and block pattern. It is a combination of stars and block pattern. The entire area is divided into a radial network of road radiating from the center outwardly, with block pattern network of roads in the between the radial main street. This type of road pattern is less risky as compared to the rectangular pattern. If one road is block, then another can be used as an alternative, but it is not only effective when two-lane ramp traffic does not have at the downstream end of the ramp. The third one is the radial or star and circular pattern. The main road rotates from a central point and are connected with the concentric roads that are also rotating outwardly. Using a circular pattern in space of traffic signals reduces a possibility of rear end crashes. But this type of pattern affects the driving ability. Mainly old drivers face this problem due to declines in vision, hear, and cognitive function. Number 4 is the radial or star and grid pattern. A radial network of road originates from the center outwardly. Then the main radial streets are interconnected by providing a grid pattern. This type of pattern increases the efficiency of land usage and unit density. It provides high safety to vehicular traffic with a high proportion of 3 n-way intersection. Number 5 is the hexagonal pattern. Three roads meet the build-up area boundary by the sides of the hexagonal at every corner of the hexagon, which can be further divided in the suitable sizes. Number 6 is the travel pattern. The city center is connected with the suburban center and neighbor centers with the shortest road. To make the road short, road alignment is made straight.
So why road patterns are important in highway planning?
Ito yung ilan sa mga dahilan kung bakit ang road pattern ay importante sa highway planning. Una, it prevents traffic accessing low-flow routes in the direction of the event venue that operate in favor of increased traffic flows. Roundabouts improve the efficiency of traffic flow. They also reduce vehicle emission and fuel consumption. It also improves land use efficiency and unit density. Also, it lessens serious crashes essentially are eliminated. Traffic congestion and motor vehicle crashes are widely spread problems, especially in urban areas. Roundabouts, uses in place of stop signs and traffic signals, are a type of circular intersection that can significantly improve traffic flow and safety. Knowing the road patterns is of great help in planning urban highways. The choice of the road pattern depends on the extent of land use or the distribution of residential, industrial, and commercial areas in the city. The nature of the terrain chems references the study of the road's patterns is very expansion of the well-planned cities. Classification. Classification orderly grouping of road